Lesson 3. MS Word Creating Document. You are now quite familiar with Word program and its window. In this chapter, we will learn about many features of Word. Using these features, you can give an entirely new look to your documents, letters, poems, stories, reports, etc. Selecting text in a document. Before performing any task, you must select the text with which you want to work. In Word, most of the work related to text is done in two ways: selecting the text and applying the desired changes. Let us now learn the ways to select text. Selecting all texts. To select the whole text in a document, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click anywhere in the document. Step 2. Press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select the whole text in the document. Selecting specific text. You can also select a specific word, line of text, or one or more paragraphs. To select specific text, follow the given steps. Place the cursor at the start of the line you want to select. Or Step 1. Place your cursor in front of the first letter of the word, sentence, or paragraphs you want to select. Step 2. Press and hold Shift key while you drag your cursor to select the text you want. Editing text. The text you enter in your existing document can be edited so that you can insert, delete, move or copy the text from one place or page to another. Inserting text. To insert the text, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click anywhere in the document where you want to insert text. Step 2. Type your text. Copying and pasting text. Copying means to make a copy of the selected text or graphics and insert it to another place, leaving the original unchanged. To copy text, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the text you want to copy. Step 2. Click on Home tab. Step 3. Click on Copy command from the clipboard group. Step 4. Go to the required place where you want to paste. Step 5. Click on Paste command from the clipboard group. Cutting and pasting the text. Cut operation will remove the content from its original place and move it to new desired location. To cut text, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the text you want to move. Step 2. Click on Home tab. Step 3. Click on Cut command from the clipboard group. Step 4. Go to the required place where you want to paste. Step 5. Click on Paste command from the clipboard group. Deleting the text. To delete the desired part, you have to select it and press Delete key in your keyboard. You can also use Backspace key to delete the text. Undo and redo. Undo is used to cancel the command. Redo is used to reverse the action of undo command. To undo, click on the Undo button on the Quick Access toolbar. To redo, click on the Redo button on the Quick Access toolbar. Formatting text. Formatting means making changes in the appearance and arrangement of the text and documents so that it looks vibrant. You can format by following the given steps. Step 1. Select the text you want to format. Step 2. Apply the desired effect. Applying bold, underline, and italic. Bold. It allows you to bold the text of your document. Italic. It allows you to italicize the text of your document. Underline. It allows you to underline the text of your document. To apply the option, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the text to which the effect has to be applied. Step 2. Click on Home tab. Step 3. In Font group, click on the respective buttons for bold B, underline U or italics I. changing the font style of text. Font is a complete set of typing characters, letters and symbols of the same size, style and design. The default font that appears when you open Word program is Calibri, Body, and the font size is 11. To change the font type, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the text you want to apply style. Step 2. Click on Home tab. Step 3. Click the down arrow next to the font box in Font Group. A list of fonts will appear. Step 4. Choose the font you want to apply to your text. The text will appear in the selected font. Changing the font size of text. To change the font size, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the text you want to change the size. Step 2. Click on Home tab. Step 3. Click the down arrow next to the font size in Font Group. A list will appear. Step 4. Choose the font size number you want to apply to your text. The text will appear in selected font size. Changing the font color of text. To change the font color, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the text you want to apply to. Step 2. Click on Home tab. Step 3. Click the down arrow next to the font color in Font Group. A list will appear. Step 4. Choose the font color you want to apply to your text. The applied color will appear on the selected text. Text effects. This feature allows you to apply some wonderful effects to any text in MS Word 2016. To apply the text effects, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the text you want to apply to. Step 2. Click on Home tab. Step 3. Click the drop-down arrow next to the text effect option in Font Group. A list will appear. Step 4. Choose the text effects you want to apply to your text. The text will appear in selected effect. Aligning the text. Alignment refers to where and how the text lines up. By default, your text aligns to left. There are 4 alignment options available in Word. They are left, right, center, and justify. To change the alignment of the selected text, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the text. Step 2. Click on Home tab. Step 3. Choose the alignment option you want to apply to your text from the paragraph group. The text will appear in the selected alignment. Following are the 4 alignment. Click on the Align Left to Left Align Text. Click on the Align Center to Center Align Text. Click on the Align Right to Right Align Text. Click on the Justify button to justify text between left and right margins. Applying borders and shading. We apply border to decorate our document 3 and make it attractive to seek attention of the viewers. To apply border and shading, follow the Step 1. Select the text. Step 2. Click on Home tab. Step 3. Click the down arrow on the Borders option in Paragraph Group. Step 4. Select Borders and Shading option from the drop-down list. Borders and Shading dialog box appears. Step 5. From the Borders and Shading tab, choose a border style and color from Style and Color option. Step 6. Click OK button. Applying an artistic border. You can also apply an artistic border to a page. To apply an artistic border, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Page Border tab in the Borders and Shading dialog box. On the Page Border tab, at the bottom, you will see a box called Art. Step 2. Click the down arrow below the Art box. Step 3. Select a border style. Step 4. click on OK. Removing a border. To remove border, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click anywhere in the text to with border. Step 2. Click on Home tab. Step 3. Click the down menu on the Borders option in paragraph group. Step 4. Select No Border option. The border will be removed from the text. Adding bullets and numbering. Let us learn how to add bullets and numbering to our text. Bullets. We use bulleted list when the order of items in a list doesn't matter. To apply bullets, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the text. Click on Home tab. Step 2. Choose the bullets option in paragraph group. A bullet library appears. Step 3. Select the bullet style you want to apply. Tech fact. To finish the list, press the Enter key twice. Numbering. We use numbering when the list of items should be in order. To apply numbering, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the text. Click on Home tab. Step 2. Choose the numbering option in paragraph group. A numbering library will appear. Step 3. Select the numbering style you want to apply. Knowledge Zone. With MS Word 95, a new feature of red curvy line below the misspelled words came into existence, which is used for correction. Initially, keyboard had keys in alphabetical order. To reduce the speed of a person, QWERTY keyboards were invented.